My name is Meir Martin. I am the owner of PetPeePee. Cleaning area carpet and removing the urine odor completely is not a problem. We at PetPeePee develop a cleaning process that's guaranteed to remove the urine odor completely, permanently, guarantee in writing. Look at our reviews in Angie's List or Google, and you'll be sure then we are the right place to clean your area carpet. We at PetPeePee build the concept, a cleaning process that's clean your area carpet perfectly. No scrubber, no centrifuge machine, no dust buster that's basically ruined the rug. Those cleaning machines designed to clean the floor mat of front of Home Depot, not area carpet, a beautiful texture of textile and fiber. So we at PetPeePee develop a cleaning process that protect your rug in the cleaning process. We build a gentle machine that's using the Dead Sea minerals, no chemicals. All the cleaning products that we use are organic, natural, and healthy. Guaranteed. So how we do that? Very simple. We flood the rug on the top, and the suction vacuum all the moisture, all the liquid that is on the top of the rug through the rug. Everything will go through the rug and pull all the crystal of the pee-pee, the soap the customer used, the dog saliva, everything. Then it's the dust. Everything will wash down to the pan and go to the tube and show me what's coming from your rug.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
In the cleaning process, to remove the urine odor, we clean the rug from dust and soil. This is an easy task. However, customers reach to our service because we remove the urine odor without using no enzyme, no deodorize, because all of this cleaning product simply mask the urine odor for short period of time. And how we know that we finished the cleaning process and all the pee-pee disappear? Simply, when the tube is clear, the rug is clean. So simple. The same water coming from the top, the same water coming through the tube. We vacuum the rug, the carpet by hand, the old-fashioned way, and we brush it. One way to bring the shine back again to the rug. We dry every rug on the floor, and voila, the rug is ready to go back home. Martin. Today I'm going to clean 12 by 18 Oriental rug. They don't have any pet problem.